Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a moderator to a Facebook page. This is just going to be a quick video tutorial, so if you want to get more details about Facebook page moderators, what they can do with a Facebook page and how they compare to other Facebook page roles like the Facebook page admin or editor role, then check out our more detailed blog post on 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞, where we also share some related information that we are not going to mention in this video. You can also find hundreds of tutorials there on social media and Facebook page marketing for absolutely free. One more thing before the tutorial. If you want to get more Facebook page followers, more organic reach, without running Facebook ads, then check out our Facebook page growth checklist that you can download from our website, 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞.com, since we are giving it away for free. Links to the 50-point checklist in the description below. So to add a moderator to a Facebook page, all you have to do is open up the Facebook page and scroll down on the left and click on settings here. Then click on page roles once again. And here you're gonna be able to see all the people who have access to this Facebook page, whether they are admins or editors or moderators. And here you can remove and assign a new page roles to people. And all you have to do is come to this assign a new page role section here. And one thing to keep in mind is you have to be an admin to be able to add people to the Facebook page, either as an admin or as a moderator. You have to be an admin. And then add the name of the person or their email address, and then select from this drop-down list moderator. And once you added the person, as you can see, now you can click on the add button and you have to confirm then that you want to add this person as a moderator to the Facebook page. They will receive a notification from Facebook that they can accept or reject this moderator role. And once they have accepted it, then now they can start moderating Facebook page comments and other stuff and any other thing. Before we would wrap up, just make sure to check out our free Facebook page growth checklist, so you can get the 50 checkpoints we use every time to 10x the number of followers of any Facebook page. We are planning to charge money for this checklist in the future, so get it now for free until you can. You can get the checklist by clicking in the description below or search on Google for 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞 and add the query Facebook page growth checklist spreadsheet. Also, if you want to learn more about setting up, managing, growing a Facebook page, make sure to check out our Facebook page tutorial YouTube playlist that you can see on the screen here. See you next time.